Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can rebook your flight here in Agoda. So first is you can open the Agoda application or just use the web browser. After that, you just have to log in and then go to your booking section. Okay, so tap on your profile if you're using your browser and then tap on the bookings option. Next is you just have to find the flight you want to book and then click the view details or manage booking. So just go to the flights option. So currently we don't have any flight yet, but you can find it right here. Okay, so next is just have to look for the options like change flight, modify booking, or rebook. So Agoda will show you the airline allows changes and any associated fees. Some low cost or non-refundable tickets may not allow rebooking. Next is if eligible, you just have to choose the new flight date or time, confirm the seat, class, and other details. And after that, if the new flight costs more, you'll need to pay the fare difference plus any change fee. If it's cheaper, Agoda may issue a refund or credit depending on the airline policy. Next is you just have to review the details carefully, confirm the booking, and you'll receive an updated e-ticket and confirmation via email. And important, some tickets are non-refundable and non-chargeable, so rebooking may not be possible. For assistance, you can also contact the Agoda customer service directly. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.